day 12 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. Can't wait to see what this is. Before we do, I just have a few things. Let me look at my list. Okay, on what are they? The tags from yesterday, there is a QR code on the packaging that takes you to a video where you can see how they're put on, which is really cool. And her products are sold all over the place, so even if you just Google it, you can find it. And the other thing is the charcuterie board. Again, I'm saying it wrong. I try. Somebody in the comments called it a Sharky board, and that is what I'm going to call it from now on, which I love. And somebody else said they were going to make a clock out of it. And I think that's a great idea. So many cool ideas with this item. I love it so much. All right, my shirt is thrifted. It's my favorite Christmas shirt because it's so cozy and comfy. I think it's by North Pole is what the tag says. It's meant to look vintage. And I like that Santa is riding a unicorn. I love that. Okay, but because it is kind of like vintagey, old looking, I do have a headband that's gonna spruce it up just like that. Because I gotta be a little fancy, right? All right, let's get started opening a day 12. See what we have. That's what, oops. That's what I'm seeing. It is a case of some sort. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a sewing tool organizer. Let's open it up. Oh, how cute. All right, it's got a little handle. Oh, it's got a little charmy thing. Oh my goodness. This is really nice. Oh my gosh. Look, it's got whatever elastic here to hold things. Let's see what else. It's got a nice wide pocket. Has one of those silicone things. You get a bonus. And this shows to hold your rotary cutter. Look at that. That is really, really nice. I like that there's different compartments. Let me zip it up here. All right, the zippers are nice and heavy duty. They seem to work pretty well, which is nice. And I love that it has a little handle. You could throw this in your bag and go. So pretty. And again, I like that it is Missouri Star Quilt Company's colors, but it's not screaming Missouri Star Quilt Company. I love that they're doing that. I think it was the first or second year I did this, everything had their name stamped on it, which is, I get, it's a company, right? You want to advertise your company. But this is kind of just a wink, and I really, really love that. I will absolutely use this. This is a great item. So much fun. All right, let's see. So Chuck the Duck count stayed the same. We're not seeing them like we have in years past. Not my best idea, but you know, hey, it's the way it goes. Yeah, and there's none on this, so yeah. Womp womp. A little bit of a letdown. We'll see, maybe there's some more to come. All right, let's talk about the labels from yesterday and the value of those. There is a video out there, like I said, of how you put them on. You can also just search Pinterest for quilt tags or quilt labels or anywhere. You can just look everywhere. They're everywhere right now. It's really popular, a lot of fun, so many cool ideas with them too. And you can get custom ones, all kinds of stuff. I'm not sure if this company does custom, but you can get custom. You can also, there's so many cute ones. Anyway, talking too much. I'm putting the value of this item at $9 because they run on average $1 a piece through this company, and there are 9 labels. So easy math on that. That brings our running total to $196.50, which means we only have $3.45 to go. Now, I thought about just making this a little bit more because I wanted it to be a full even. I guess in my mind that would make my brain not itch, but I'm going to keep it at this, and hopefully tomorrow we will, well, this definitely is more than $3, what, $3.45, right? So definitely tomorrow we will be in the black. Yay! Makes me sleep better. All right, let's see what else. I think that's it, and we're going to guess for day 13. So this is your warning. I'm lifting it up. Warning, warning, warning. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah, here it is. All right, let's see. Okay, it's long and skinny. Oh, my sticker! My sticker is popping up. Getting some tape right now. Look, I'm putting the tape on it so there's no question tomorrow. I did not peek. All right. There's something hollow in here, like a handle. I would say a rotary cutter, but we already got that. It is definitely some kind of tool, maybe? Does make some noise. Oh, and by the way, yesterday's did make a little bit of noise too. I heard it when I did my editing, but I swear I didn't hear it when I was actually recording it. I don't know what this is, but we will find out tomorrow for day 13. Yay! As always, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I hope you take some time to enjoy the season, and I will see you soon. Bye.